Burnside 35 is one of our most versatile lenses. It's an ideal lens for shooting street photography with mood and intensity. It's also good for painterly landscapes framed in vignette, or create environmental portraits surrounded by swirling bokeh. Burnside 35 is a 35mm f2.8 lens, the widest adaptation of the Petzval lens design currently available on the market. The optical design is modeled on the lens created in the 1840s by Austrian Joseph Petzval. He wanted to make a faster portrait lens so people didn't have to sit still for such a long time. When adapted to a wider 35mm focal length, the effects range from subtle swirly bokeh to a touch of edge softness. If you haven't already set up your camera to shoot with a Lensbaby, you'll want to go back and watch our Lensbaby Basics video. All of our lenses are fully manual, and the Basics video will help you get started. To get the most swirly bokeh, follow these 3 steps. Shoot wide open at f2.8. Adjust your aperture by rotating the dial on the lens. Get close to your subject, 3 feet or less. Make sure there's at least 12 feet of separation between your subject and background. Choose a background with a texture like light streaming through leafy trees, holiday lights, or a brick wall. Then focus by rotating the lens barrel. Then shoot. And if the swirl becomes too much, simply adjust one of those key ingredients and the swirl lessens significantly. Burnside 35 also features a gold effect slider on the side of the lens, which essentially acts as a second set of apertures. This gives you a ton of additional in-camera control and creativity. Adjust the gold slider up or down to add or subtract vignette, darkening the edges. And this really makes the center pop. You'll also get more or less swirl in your bokeh. Adjusting vignette in camera lets you see the effect as you're composing the image. It can also be helpful for handling blown out skies and dealing with unwanted specular highlights. As with all Lensbaby lenses, it can be helpful to bracket your focus. Take a shot where it looks sharp, then rotate the focus ring a tiny bit back and forth, taking a few more shots. Chances are at least one of those shots is going to be in focus. One last tip. Use live view to confirm your focus. Just zoom into the center of the image and adjust your focus and shoot. Or if you have a camera with focus confirmation or focus peaking, take advantage. Explore boundless creative options and seize control of your composition with the Burnside 35.